In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift a game on Steam that you've already played. If you've enjoyed a game and want to share it with a friend, Steam makes the process straightforward, even if you've already played or owned the game yourself. Here's how to do it smoothly from start to finish. First, open the Steam app and head to the Store tab. Use the search bar to find the game you want to gift, then click it to open the product page. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct edition or bundle you want to send, since some games have multiple versions. When you're ready, click the Add to Cart button located beneath the game's description. Next, go to your cart by clicking the shopping cart icon in the top right corner. In your cart, look for the option that says Purchase as a Gift. Depending on the layout, you might also see a drop-down under the game where you can choose This is a Gift. Selecting this tells Steam you're buying it for someone else, not for your own library. Choose Continue to Gift options. You'll see your Steam friends list, and you can pick the recipient from there. The friend you choose should be someone you're already connected with on Steam so their name appears in the list. This step ensures the gift is sent directly to their account and is easy for them to claim. You'll now have the chance to personalize the gift. Add a short message if you'd like, which is a great way to explain why you picked the game or to send a friendly note. You can also choose when the gift is delivered. Send it immediately for instant surprise, or schedule it for a future date, like a birthday or holiday. When everything looks right, proceed to payment and complete the purchase as you normally would on Steam. Once the payment goes through, Steam sends your friend an instant notification within the app, and they may also receive an email with instructions to claim the gift. All they need to do is accept it, and the game will be added to their library to download and play. If you've already played the game yourself, no problem, that has no impact on the gifting process. And that's it. Thanks for watching.